afternoon. Today I'm going to talk about 9 important tips to survive downtown driving or downtown traffic. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Let's go ahead and get it. Number 1, learn how to drive in the big city. You always want to understand the flow of the traffic, the flow of driving. Be aware of traffic jams, people walking. You always want to be aware of bumper-to-bumper traffic. I've been in New York, I've been in Chicago, been in downtown Detroit, LA. They're very overwhelming, particularly for beginning drivers. So you want to take your time and be very cautious. Number 2, if possible, avoid driving during rush hours. People are trying to get home, they're trying to go to work, they're very impatient. If you drive during rush hours and you're uncertain, you're going to get cut off, you're going to get tailgated, and it will not be a pleasant experience. Next, you want to stay to the right lane. Slower moving traffic stays to the right. And this allows you to make right turns. If you're in the middle, that's a bit smoother. You can see to the left, you can see in the middle, you can see to the right. I always tell my beginning drivers, drive to the right, but as time goes on, try to get in the middle lane. Next, watch out for crosswalks. People are always walking. You have more pedestrian traffic. You have people walking in front of you, people walking beside the car, people walking behind the car. It can be very overwhelming. Next, depending upon the city you're in, you may encounter a lot of bicyclists. E-bikes are very popular right now. Bicycles have always been popular. So you're going to see people who are going 10 to 15 miles an hour on a bike. Some of them have good balance and some of them don't. So you do not want to have a contact with the biker. Next, tabs are very common. Cabs are very common. So you want to be aware of them. They're cutting in and out of traffic. They're hustling to pick up people to go to different places. So you want to be aware of cabs at all times. Always check your mirrors. When stopping at a light, stop behind the stop line. That's that big, thick white line. You want to be able to see pedestrians from the left. You want to be able to see pedestrians from the right. You want to check your mirrors and be aware of your surroundings because people will pop up. Number 8, there are a lot of metropolitan parks where you have to parallel park. I know you don't want to work on parallel parking, but you need to work on parallel parking. You need to work on that skill set so you can properly maneuver your car. And number 9, remain calm. Whenever you miss your exit, and you will, or your turn, try to find the next block and turn around. I hope this brought you value. If you did, then subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Thank you. Have a great day.